The way you create videos will change forever with this 3D AI video creating app. Hi there, I am Kaushik Chakravarti and I wish you the very best in 2021. In this video, I will be sharing with you a review of a brand new video creator which I believe you will find awesome. Are you a content creator, an author, a teacher, a business owner, a marketing professional, a freelancer, a blogger, an advertiser, a digital marketer, or maybe you are a beginner in your journey towards online sales? You may or may not be a camera shy person, but is your objective to put captivating HD videos in front of your audience to get their unbiased attention? Are you looking to generate more leads and get a higher ROI while AI technology eases your workload? Then this video app is for you. So this year, award-winning tech entrepreneur Ponna and Diwar, makers of the app Doodle Maker, after having invested 4 years in building this technology, have combined 3D animation, artificial intelligence, and multilingual video technologies into one groundbreaking video app called the AvatarBuilder. AvatarBuilder is unique and stacked with industry-leading features not available in any other app at this price. Ponna says that this is their best product to date. In addition to all the first-to-market features, they are giving away unlimited lifetime access for a low one-time price. So don't miss this opportunity. So primarily, what features does AvatarBuilder bring to the table? It boasts a flexible open canvas video builder, a never seen before artificial intelligence smart screen creator, captivating Pixar and Disney style talking 3D avatars, hundreds of done for you templates in multiple niches, first to the market revolutionary logo mapping technology so you can have the logo where the attention goes, industry-leading multilingual video technologies, award-winning text-to-speech voices in all major languages, which is also used by Google and Amazon, speech-to-text transcription, in-app voice recording, loaded with millions of royalty-free assets, and watermark for your videos. Now, how can you use AvatarBuilder? So, some of them would be like making explainer videos, animated videos, educational videos, social media ads, YouTube videos, presentations for your office and clients, or maybe sales videos. With this app, you have unlimited possibilities. In fact, I just now thought like you could also have dramatic conversational videos which could bring in more engagement. The front-end product comes with a commercial license, and then there are 4 upgrades to it. Upgrade 1 is Elite, which gives you the option to add more avatars and extra features at no recurring cost. Upgrade 2 gets you the agency license with new features. The Upgrade 3 provides you with unlimited done for you templates on hot topics, ready to sell. The Upgrade 4 is packed with 100 plus premium text-to-speech voices in all top languages and accents so that you can open your market to the world. Finally, the most essential question: do you really need this app? Well, you already know that artificial intelligence is the new buzzword in marketing. So if you want to attract new customers, cut down on your advertising costs, get more traffic, turn boring videos to work for you, increase your return on investment, and finally save your time and money, then you should definitely get this. There is more. You will be getting exclusive bonuses like Ecom Video Maker with a commercial license, done for you AvatarBuilder video with agency website, artificial intelligence logo creator, video thumbnail maker, exclusive training videos for using AvatarBuilder to the best of your capabilities. So there are bountiful of bonuses which you can use to your choice. My suggestion is though, If you are a professional or running an agency, grab all the upgrades. But if you are thinking otherwise, don't miss the elite upgrade and give a thought to the agency upgrade because of the tons of features packed within it. You can view details of all the exclusive 10 bonuses that you will be getting when you buy AvatarBuilder from the link in the description below this video. So go ahead and grab your very own AvatarBuilder before the prices go up. Share your comments and feedback in the comment section below the description. I would love to hear from you. Subscribe and get notified by clicking the bell icon when I upload new videos, which can provide you with more information to grow your business. So bye for now. See you in my next video.